Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to make this video from a very long time, so finally here it is today. In this video, I will be talking to you guys about one of the most important social media platforms, which is LinkedIn. Just like you have Instagram to make new friends and socialize with your friends, you have LinkedIn to build up a professional network. Like you would have already heard, your network is your net worth. LinkedIn is just catering to that needs. On LinkedIn, you would find everybody from hustlers to entrepreneurs to collaborators to hiring managers to corporate executives to world leaders, all of them engaging in very meaningful conversations. LinkedIn has amazing tools which will help you with everything, be it finding an internship, be it finding a job, be it meeting people from the same expertise areas, or be it finding people from the same college, same course, anything. On LinkedIn, everything is just a click away. In this video, I will be walking you guys through my LinkedIn profile and I will be telling you guys the features of each and every tool on LinkedIn. So make sure you watch this video till the end, as I think this is going to help each and everybody who is entering into college or even graduating from college. So now let's get started.
So here it is, guys. Even before I walk you guys through my profile on LinkedIn, I'll just show you guys how my feed looks like on LinkedIn. As you would have it on Facebook, you have start a post where you can write an article, you can share a picture, you can share a video, you can add documents such as certificates. On the right hand side is today's news and views. These are some amazing articles and you can see the number of people who have read these articles. I definitely spent a lot of time reading these articles. And there's so much good network and good conversations happening on LinkedIn each day. I'll just walk you guys through my profile now. So on the right hand side, you can click on view profile, and here it is. So the first and the foremost thing is like the profile picture, my name, the tagline, the current city I am in, which is Amritsar, Punjab. This is the summary part of LinkedIn, where you can write about yourself and whatever you feel that you would want people to know about you. Like I've written that he is a fast learner and has a keen interest in using data analytics to improve decision making and drive strategic initiatives. This is my personal dashboard wherein it shows 544 people have viewed my profile, and 1280 post views have come, and 212 times I've appeared on search appearances, and my profile is rated as all star. Now is the experience part. For a lot of freshers, here is where you will be talking about the internships. I already have work experience, so I've written about that. Currently, I'm working as a business development associate for Dilemmas Diluted, and I've written all the important details that I want to share about my work and my job description. This was my previous work experience where I worked with Ernst & Young as an analyst for international taxation. And here is all the job description of all the work that I did in that 1 year. I've written about the member of the founding batch and actor of Orpheus Productions, Christ University. Likewise, when I was in college, I was working as a campus ambassador for a firm called Grapevine. I've already talked about it in one of the videos where I mentioned 5 ways how you can earn money. I was working for this firm and I worked with a lot of good brands such as Zomato, MTV India, TVF, Colors Infinity. So you guys can definitely try that out, and here's my certificate of that. I interned with Z Entertainment in my second year, which was a compulsory internship that I had to do for my course at Christ University. And here's the detail about that, whatever I did. Like I've told you, it was a 6-week, 6-department program, and here's my internship report. So I've even put that up on my LinkedIn profile. Now my first year's internship was with a small startup in Bangalore, and this was the firm YPO, which is Young Presidents Organization, for whom we organized the event and at Leela Palace. Education, where you write in detail about the particular university that you are studying in or planning to study or have already graduated from. Likewise, for a lot of people who are currently moving out of school, they can write in detail about the school and what all they did in the school and how the school was. So here's the school that I graduated from and the percentage that I got in my ISC boards. So I've written about that. This is my previous school, which from where I completed my middle school and primary school. So about that. Likewise, another very important section on LinkedIn is licenses and certifications. So any important certification that you have done, you should write that up on your LinkedIn. Like I completed my EY robotic process automation and I won a bronze medal in that. So I did a course on business analyst and project manager collaboration, and LinkedIn Learning highlights business strategy and analysis. Likewise, when I was in my university, I did a conceptual research paper on reverse logistics, and this paper got published on the International Journal of Science, Engineering and Innovative Research. Likewise, I have written down about all the volunteer experience that I've done. Like I've worked as a student fundraiser and volunteer. I've worked in the logistics team, hospitality team lead. Likewise, I've worked with eCure, which is like one of the great foundations in Bangalore. Likewise, I've also indulged in IPAC, which is Indian Political Action Committee, and I was the NAF core team member there. So I've even mentioned that in my LinkedIn profile. Likewise, you have skill and endorsements. In this, you just have to mention the skills that you have, and other people from your network who know you and who have been with you will endorse you for those skills and networks. Like you can see, of all the skills that I've mentioned, I've been endorsed the highest number of times for leadership, for interpersonal communication, for team management. Likewise, the list is long for all the other skills that I've mentioned and the number of times I've been endorsed for those skills. Next up is again one of the most informative and power tools of LinkedIn, which is recommendations. When I was working in Ernst & Young, one of the seniors to me in my team, I asked him for a recommendation after we had completed a project. So this is what he had to write about me. I haven't given any recommendation to anybody yet, but I've received one. Next up is accomplishments, where you're free to write about all the accomplishments that you have done. I've completed 23 courses online, and I think I've done more than that, but I don't remember them. So like these are the ones I have certificates for, so I've written them up. I've received 17 honors and awards, and this is only after like I joined college. I haven't written down of my school time, and this has the details about everything. Languages, this is where you write about the languages that you know, and the best part is even you can even write your proficiency in that. For me, like for English I've written full proficiency, full professional proficiency. For French I've written elementary proficiency, as I've just completed the basic levels in French. In Hindi I've written native or bilingual proficiency, Punjabi limited working proficiency, and Thai limited working proficiency. So these are the 5 languages that I know. Likewise is the projects. So you can even write about the projects that you've completed. Majorly all these projects are the ones that I did in my university. So this is about my profile. Another thing that you can do is you can even add accomplishments, such as you can add any of the publications that you've done, any patents that you hold, any other courses that you've done, any test scores if you've taken any exams such as CAT, GMAT or any of that, you can do that. If there's any professional organization that you've associated yourself with, you can add that to your list as well. So this is my profile on LinkedIn. A few very important tools that I wanted to talk about is number 1, my network. You can find anybody on LinkedIn. Like to give you an example, if I have to find somebody who's working in Zomato, I would just write Zomato, and this is what is showing, and I will just click on people. Now these are the people who are working in Zomato, and the list is very long. But assuming that I want to find people who are working only in New Delhi, so I will filter it by that. Okay, so this is what it is, and automatically like you can see people from the talent acquisition team, which is like the hiring members, they've come up on the research, and now I can just click on her profile. I can just see what is she doing. Like she's been working in Zomato for 2.5 years. Before that she was working with Oyo, and before that she was working with Marks and Spencers. So this is her profile. Now the thing that you all have to do, like whenever you would required to use this tool, is you would want to message them, but you can't do it because it isn't free. But you can do is connect, and you can while connecting you can add a note like, hi, I am Kavach Khanna. I am currently working with a digital startup. I am interested in joining Zomato as a sales manager. Please accept my request and let me know if we can discuss further. Okay, like obviously I won't be sending this one, but this again is very informal. But for the add note, you can just add 300 characters. So make sure whatever you add is very just to the point of what you want to talk about. Okay, for likewise for a lot of people who are joining college, they actually want to know a lot about their course. So that ways you can find people from your course as well. Assuming if there's somebody who is joining, let's say Christ Lavasa, and I want to do like BBA from Christ Lavasa, so I can write BBA at Christ University Lavasa. So this will show the people who are doing BBA Analytics from Christ University Lavasa. So like let me just click on this person, RN Bajaj. He is from North West Delhi, and he is currently pursuing. He joined Christ University in 2019. Now if I have to talk to him, I'll definitely connect and I'll add a note. Hey RN, I am interested in doing BBA from Christ University Lavasa campus. Can you please provide me details about the course and the life at Lavasa campus? I'm pretty sure whomsoever you send any message to, they will surely reply to you. This is like the best tool where you can find anybody who is doing law, anybody who is doing journalism, anybody who is doing any course. Now assuming if you want to work at Ernst & Young, so I will just do HR manager at Ernst & Young, and it will show the list of everybody who is the HR manager at Ernst & Young, and you can then definitely filter it up to the location that you want to work. You want to work in India, so you do that, and here's the list of everybody. You can even further it down to like say if I want to do it in New Delhi, India, you do that, and this is like New Delhi, India, manager HR at Ernst & Young. Likewise for Bengaluru, everybody, you can find anybody. So networking is one of the most important tools on LinkedIn. Next up is jobs. So for once you are done from graduating, you would definitely be looking up for jobs, and this is one of the best tools of LinkedIn where you can find jobs. Now see, I'm working as a business development officer, so this is why you on my feed you will see all business development related jobs which are currently being offered by the companies in all the places. And specifically since I'm in Punjab, it is showing related to Mohali, Ludhiana, Batinda, Chandigarh, likewise. But say assuming if I want to work in Bangalore, and if I want to work as say if I want to work in hedge fund manager, so likewise it has already opened up jobs for me, and you can keep filtering it up, right? Let's search for analyst jobs in Bengaluru. Okay, now you can even experience level wise, you can just do, if you're looking for internships, you can filter for internships. If you're looking for entry, which means you do not have any previous experience, if you're looking for associate, which is like you have an experience of 1 year or 1 to 2 years, you can do that. So I'll open it up for all these three. Likewise, so you will find all the companies which are offering analyst related jobs, so you can look up for your internships, your jobs, and everything on LinkedIn. So yes, this is the walkthrough of my LinkedIn profile.
So that's about it for this video. I hope you liked this video and this video was useful for you all. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any doubts, questions or queries. And lastly, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive regular notifications whenever I upload a new video. Take care, bye bye.